Hey everyone, Joey here, and we are playing this random Roblox game again. I only played it once ever on this channel, but yeah, we're doing it again. We're playing some Bird, and I tried to get in Disney Plus, but I lost my account, so I'm gonna have to put on a YouTube stream when I go to sleep tonight. Okay, whatever. So basically, we're just gonna do random stuff. I forgot what happened in this game, but all that I remember from this game is that I think it gets really glitchy or whatever, and that's the fun of it. Like, you can just yeet stuff in the air, I think, or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna mess with randos and stuff like that today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pecking someone's booty right now. So yeah, let me just nom ya. Did I nom your hole? I need to nom your hole. What? I think you can like grab onto people or something like that. Oh, I just stooped downward. Yeah. Look at this. To work it, work it. Nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble, bitch! Nibble, nibble! Nibble, nibble! Nibble, nibble! Yes! Whoa, 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 we are smooching and making out. Oh my god, we are going tongue in there. Oh my god, I think one of us got pregnant just by licking each other's tongue alone. Holy crap. It's a pole neck war. Let's see which noodle neck can get out of this situation and in this predicament first. Holy sh**. Oh my god, we're a bunch of noodle necks right now. Oh, I got flung off. I think I won. I think I won! Ah, damn it, he survived. What's this giant macaroni and cheese looking, popcorn looking, goofy ass thing right here? Oh, whatever. Oh, chicken! I'm eating my own kind. I cry for my cousin's death. Now keep on munching? Oh. Oh. I'm telepathically using the force to wield the chicken. What the hell? Why are you carrying a balloon cartridge, my amigo? It's time for me to nom your business. Yes, I'm gonna nom on your business, if you know what I mean. I think my neck's strangled on a... My neck is strangled on a balloon. I'm being hung by a balloon. Ah! Nom. What is that? Oh, someone, clip this part of the video right now and then send this to someone without any context. Oh my god. What the hell is this nightmare? Ew. Alright, I'm gonna smack the shit out of someone. Wonk! Come here! Whoa! Oh, hang on a minute, hang on a minute. Whoa, 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 gain speed here. Wait, where'd my nom button go? What? Oh, there it is. Oh! Oh! Pull my neck harder. I need to stop. Wait, I wonder if we can pop balloons. Let go! Ah! Yes! You can pop balloons. Epic. My neck is inside my body. I like my neck being inside my bodies. Body neck. Ah! Whoa! I am one with the baboons. Oh my god, there's a baboon attached to me. It's plugged in somewhere where the sun don't shine. Lava! Oh, it can die. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I'm blue now. I was red, now I'm blue. Lil Joe Blue. I think I was red. I don't know, I forgot. You know much for the power of the duck side. Hold on, let me just go sniffing. What's that? It smells pretty, reproducible. Can I go, smell some more of that, please? Yeah, can you make me never let go of you, please, Twitter bird? Oh, thank you, I want to keep on sniffing you, because you smell nice. I don't think you wiped in 3 days, but that's what's amazing about it, because I love sniffing there. You hadn't wiped in a while, Sonny. And now I'm gonna sniff it until the end of time. And now I'm dead. The duck behind the slaughter. Oh yeah, kiss me harder. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and I'm just gonna make out with random hot chicks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!